guys, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all doing well today. And there's my dog's feet. Jasper. Okay, I'll show you my colours. This is TLP Ballet Slipper. Really pretty soft peach. It's kind of a peachy pink. Lots of shimmer in it. And this is TLP Constellation. Gorgeous deep purple. TLP Twinkle, which is a blue-violet interference. This is my mix of Pebeo, Iridescent Blue Black and Dioxazine Purple. One of Jodie, the Painted Dreamer's favourites. I've never mixed it up before, but yeah, it's gorgeous. So it's purple with a lot of blue shimmer. And this is another Pebeo. This is Iridescent Precious Gold. And this is Atelier Phthalo Turquoise. I'm not sure what cell activators I'm actually going to use. I've got 3 open. This is my mixture of Atelier and Amsterdam, equal parts of both titanium white. This is Atelier Payne's Grey and Atelier Rich Gold. All mixed with Australian Floetrol, nothing else. Approximately 2 to 2.5 parts Floetrol to 1 part of paint, no silicone, etc. And everything that you can see here is listed in the description box below. And a link to my paint mixing video. And anything else you need to know, the size of my Lazy Susan, what it is, where I got it from. Link to the Shelley Art e-course and my discount code, which will get you 15% off the course. And I will put it up on the screen now, but everything is in the description box. So let's get messy.
I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but still Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found the one. Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong, what's on your troubled mind. There's one thing I want you to know. All the days that we've been spending, I hope this dream is never ending. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. And all of me is filled with love. You know you mean the world to me. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. Like a fairy tale. If I will share my life with anyone, I really hope that you will be the one. But now I wonder what is wrong, what's on your troubled mind. There's one thing I want you to know. All the days that we've been spending, I hope this dream is never ending. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. And all of me is filled with love. You know you mean the world to me. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. Like a fairy tale. If you say you wanna leave me, you better make it quick. Believe me, if it's true, I will pack your bags for you. But if you ever change your mind, you know I won't be kind a second time around. Then you're out of my life. All the days that we've been
Thanks for being here, guys. If you like this, please hit that like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And please share, and any questions, ask in the comment section below. And as always, everything that I've used is listed in the description box. Just click on the video title to go straight there. So everybody take care, stay safe, and thanks again, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks guys, bye.